Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to dive into the incredible LG SN7R 5.1.2 channel high-res audio soundbar with Dolby Atmos and Bluetooth. If you're looking to elevate your home theater setup with premium sound, make sure to check out the link below for the best price today. Let's get started. The LG SN7R delivers an immersive audio experience like no other. The 5.1.2 channel configuration allows for a multi-dimensional soundstage that fully envelops you. With Dolby Atmos technology, you get sound that moves around you, adding an entirely new layer of depth and realism to your movies, music, and games. The height channels provide an elevated sound experience, creating that three-dimensional audio effect that pulls you deeper into the action. One of the standout features of this soundbar is its high-res audio support. The LG SN7R supports 24-bit/96 kHz audio, ensuring that every note, beat, and sound effect is crystal clear and full of detail. Whether you're listening to your favorite tracks or watching a cinematic masterpiece, the audio quality is second to none. It really brings out the richness and high-resolution sound and provides a level of clarity that you won't find with most soundbars. Let's talk about Bluetooth connectivity. The LG SN7R makes it incredibly easy to connect your smartphone, tablet, or any Bluetooth-enabled device to stream music or podcasts directly to the soundbar. The seamless wireless connection makes it simple to play your favorite tunes without the need for any cables. Plus, the auto sound engine ensures that your audio is always optimized, whether you're listening to music, gaming, or watching TV. In addition to the main soundbar unit, the LG SN7R comes with a wireless subwoofer that adds deep, punchy bass to your audio setup. This subwoofer complements the system's overall sound and adds a rumbling low end that enhances your movie watching or gaming experience, providing that extra level of immersion. Another fantastic feature of this soundbar is the AI Sound Pro technology. The soundbar automatically adjusts the audio to suit the content you're watching, whether it's a dialogue-heavy scene or an action-packed movie. It optimizes sound settings based on what's playing, ensuring clear vocals, powerful explosions, and a well-balanced audio profile. Design-wise, the LG SN7R is sleek and modern, fitting well with any TV setup. It has a minimalist aesthetic with clean lines and a premium feel, making it an excellent addition to your home entertainment space. In conclusion, the LG SN7R 5.1.2 channel high-res audio soundbar with Dolby Atmos and Bluetooth is a true game-changer when it comes to home audio systems. The stunning sound quality, immersive surround sound experience, and sleek design make it a must-have for audiophiles and home theater enthusiasts. If you're ready to take your entertainment to the next level, this soundbar is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you want to experience this fantastic soundbar for yourself, make sure to check the link below for the best price today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Happy listening.